In this video, I'll guide you through how to reschedule a meeting on Calendly, whether your plans have changed or your guest needs a different time. Updating an existing event in Calendly is quick and painless once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own account. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in your web browser. From your main Calendly dashboard, you'll see a few different sections, but the one we care about right now is called Scheduled Events. This is where Calendly keeps a list of all the events that have already been booked with you, whether they're upcoming or have taken place recently. Go ahead and click on the Scheduled Events tab. When you open it, you'll see a list of meetings and events associated with your account. If you have a lot of scheduled events, you can use any filters or search options available to narrow things down by date, event type, or guest name. Your goal here is simply to locate the specific meeting you want to change. Once you've found the correct meeting in the list, you'll need to open up the details for that event. To do this, look for an option labeled Details next to that meeting and click it. This will bring up a more complete view of the event, usually showing you information like the event type, date and time, the guest's name and email, and any answers they provided to booking questions. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right event so you don't accidentally reschedule the wrong one. Within the event details view, you'll see a button or link that says Reschedule. This is the option you'll use to change the time. Click Reschedule and Calendly will guide you to a familiar looking page or overlay, similar to what your guest originally saw when they booked the event. Here, you'll be shown your available time slots based on your current Calendly settings. Now choose a new time that works better for you and your guest. You can click on a date, then pick one of the time slots that appear. It's usually a good idea to double check your calendar outside of Calendly if needed, just to make sure the new slot doesn't conflict with anything else. When you're satisfied with the new date and time, select it so Calendly knows this is the slot you want to move the meeting to. After you've selected the new time, Calendly will bring you to a confirmation screen. This is where you finalize the change. Look for the button labeled Confirm Reschedule. Before you click it, quickly review the updated date and time to make sure everything looks correct. When you click Confirm Reschedule, Calendly will automatically notify all parties involved in the meeting, typically by email. Your guest will receive an updated calendar invite and event details, so you don't need to send a separate message unless you want to add a personal note. And that's all there is to it. You went to the Scheduled Events tab, opened the event details, chose Reschedule, picked a new time, and confirmed the change so everyone was notified. Once you've done it a couple of times, rescheduling in Calendly becomes a simple, routine part of managing your calendar.